just crashed. Windhurst. Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Do not get out of the car! Do not fucking move!
Get the fuck out of the car!
Get out of the car!
Get out of the car!
Give us the air!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Yes, sir.
Get the fuck out of the car!
Yes, sir.
Get out of the car!
Okay, sir. I'm coming, sir. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. It hit my back. It hurt. I'm hurt, sir. I'm hurt. Sir. I'm hurt. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay.
Get on the floor!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hold this. Hold that.
Yeah.
If you fucking move!
I will do. I don't want no trouble, bro. Sir, I got bro. That fucking hurt.
Get off this shit! Get off! Get on the floor! Get on your stomach now! Get your hands down your back!
Give me your fucking hand!
There you go, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
12, give us the air. We have one in custody. I'm gonna nail down our location. Give me a minute. Hey, you got him? Alright, we're at Windhurst and Roland Ave. Windhurst Avenue, Roland Avenue. We have one in custody. There's no one else standing. Fucking hell. Was it just you in the car?
My wife was here. Where's she at?
Don't give a shit about your wife. Is anyone else in the car?
She was, yes.
Huh? Right
Yes.
now?
She might stepped out, but she was in there with me. Yes.
When you were taking off, was there someone in the car?
Yes.
10-9.
For 1 for any units injured.
1047. We have one in custody right now. He was just involved in the accident.
Check the passenger.
If we get one, get a medic rolling out here, please.
Getting a medic. Windhurst, what's your cross street?
Windhurst to Roland Avenue. All right, tell fire to step it up. We got one trapped. We got one trapped in the passenger seat.
All right, Windhurst to Roland, don't cross. I need a better 20.
10-4, we have one trapped in the suspect vehicle. 5000 block, Roland Avenue.
Look at your fucking GPS. Look at your GPS on your phone. Huh? Should have thought about that. How to get out?
And 12 KGA, tell fire to step it up. We got one stuck in the car.
That's why I will get the medic.
Hello?
Break the window if you need to.
It's open.
Does he have any other units on scene with him?
Yeah, I got 11 with me.
Copy.
Do you have any weapons on you? Let's go to the car.
Are
you understand? Are you understand?
you can brush the corner.
Hello? Hello? Miss Moss? Oh my God. Can I open this? Just get him secure in the car. Damn it! Come on, let's get him in the car.
Get in the car.
We're gonna secure you in the car. We got medics coming for you, okay?
Okay, 11, he's taking off. He's going eastbound on North Avenue. He's going down Saratoga. Just on Saratoga. West on Saratoga.
Come back for holiday.
Got it.
Crossing holiday.
Crossing, Holiday. It's a fucking armed robbery store. Yeah. No. Can I keep going? Yeah, keep going. You didn't take. We still have eyes. 11, we still have eyes on it.
Alright, this is 2011.
Oh, they just crashed! Just crashed at Wheathurst. Stop. Get the fuck down! Get the fuck down! Get the fuck down! Do not fucking move! Do not move! Do not move! Do not! Get out of the car! Do not fucking move! Do not move! Do not move! Get hands! Get out of the car! Get hands! Get out of the car! Get hands! Give us the air! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Yes, sir.
Get
Yes,
the
sir.
fuck out of the car!
Yes, sir.
Get out of the car!
Okay, sir. I'm coming,
Wheathurst
sir.
University.
I'm hurt. I'm hurt. It hit my back. It hurt. I'm hurt. I'm hurt, sir. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. All right, sir. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now!
Okay. Okay.
Get on the floor!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
We're trying to
sir.
get one in custody. Hold it. Hold that.
Yeah.
If you fucking move,
I won't do. No, I don't want no trouble, brother. Sir, I got brother. It fucking hurt.
yeah. Get off this shit. Get off!
Okay, sir.
Get on the floor. Get on your stomach now!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get your hands behind your back! Now!
There you go, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Shut up!
Thank you. Thank you.
Do not move.
Yes, sir.
Alright, we're at Windhurst and Roland Ave. Windhurst Avenue, Roland Avenue.
And please get us a medic for an adult male who got into an accident.
Just you in the car?
My wife is in here. Who's she at?
Don't give a shit about your wife. Is anyone else in the car?
She was, yes.
Huh? Right now.
Or she went. She might stepped out, but she didn't know with me yet.
11 and 12.
When you were taking off, was there someone in the car?
Yes, my wife was in there with me.
Per 100, any units injured?
1047. We have one in custody right now.
Check the passenger.
Alright,
Get a medic rolling out.
ever get the medic. Windhurst and what's your cross street?
Is it rolling?
Windhurst, Roland Avenue.
10-4.
Alright, so far, stepping up. We got one trap. We got one trap with passenger seat.
Alright,
Douchebag.
Windhurst and Roland, don't cross. I need a medic 20.
Don't worry, we have one trap.
Just get your phone. Look at your fucking UPS. Look at your GPS on your phone.
What's that, sir?
Not you. Shut the fuck up.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, well, you did that. Huh? Should have thought about that.
Yeah.
Gotta get her out of the car.
I didn't see you.
Huh?
I had to see you in the beginning.
Order the medic.
Yeah, let's first get him. Break the window if you need to.
Oh, shit.
Okay, get out. So I can help you. So I can help your wife. Do you have any weapons on you? No, sir. Let's go to the car. I'm gonna put you in the car.